April is Child Abuse Prevention Month, and as families continue to shelter in place, there's a great concern that cases of abuse could rise amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Trauma Care Coordinator Rhonda Unger explains why that is and how Lutheran Family and Child Services of Missouri can assist.
We're already seeing, normally in the state of Missouri, we have about 19,000 calls for child abuse, and that number since March 11th has actually dropped by 50%. And it doesn't mean that there's less child abuse going on. It just means that those kids who are normally in school or away from home during the school days, during the weekdays while it's normally in school, have access to the teachers and the counselors that are usually the mandated reporters who do notice these types of things and are the reporters. And with school being out and not in, and these kids are at home, they don't have access to the people who would normally keep an eye out for them and report those situations. So yeah, I think we will see a really big, probably when all is said and done, it'll start coming out. Well, what LFCS does is we work with parents and families to stop abuse and prevent further cases in at-risk households. And we also have a number of other programs for expectant and young parents to make sure that they have the resources and the support that they need. This includes facilitating the pursuit of stable living conditions, higher education, and employment. And then we have the counseling and education to manage life stressors. And right now, with the virus and the pandemic going on and the self-quarantine, we're almost virtually online. So we can keep those programs going.
To learn more about the programs and resources LFCS has to offer, you can visit them online at lfcsmo.org. If you suspect a child is being abused or neglected, you should report your concerns to Child Protective Services. Anonymous calls can be made to the Child Abuse and Neglect Hotline 24 hours a day at 1-800-392-3738.